Imagine the vast and endless expanse of the universe, stretching out in all directions. Just like the oceans on Earth, the universe is filled with waves, but these waves are not made of water. They are something very special called gravitational waves. These waves are like ripples that travel through space and time, like the gentle swaying of a blanket in the wind, or the rings that form when you drop a pebble in a pond. They carry secrets about the universe and its hidden wonders. Scientists, who are like curious explorers, have been on a quest to find and understand these gravitational waves for a very long time. It's been a challenging journey, but recently, they achieved a remarkable breakthrough. They discovered a new type of gravitational wave that is different from the ones they found before. These new waves are very low and gentle, like a soft humming sound that can be felt more than heard. It's as if the universe is whispering its secrets to us. To truly grasp the importance of this discovery, let's take a moment to think about the incredible objects that exist in space. You've probably heard about planets and stars, those sparkling lights that dot the night sky. Well, these big things have something called gravity, which is like an invisible force that pulls objects toward them. It's what keeps us grounded on Earth and makes the planets orbit around the sun. Now, when these big objects move or change in some way, they create these gravitational waves, just like a splash in a pond creates ripples. And these waves carry valuable information about the objects and events that caused them. The waves that scientists found are truly special because they tell us something fascinating about the past, like looking into a cosmic time capsule. They give us clues about pairs of supermassive black holes that existed a long time ago when the universe was young. Now, these black holes were not your everyday black holes. They were gigantic. Imagine something so massive that it could swallow up thousands of Earths. These colossal black holes were dancing together, spinning around each other, and sending out these gentle waves as they moved. By studying these waves, scientists can learn more about how galaxies, which are like big families of stars, and their central black holes grow and merge over time. It's like solving a thrilling puzzle that helps us understand how the universe has changed and evolved over billions of years. Detecting these waves is no easy task. It's like trying to hear a whisper in a crowded and noisy room. That's why scientists use something special called pulsars, which are like cosmic lighthouses that spin incredibly fast. Pulsars emit regular and precise signals like a flashing light, and scientists can listen to these signals and study their patterns. If a gravitational wave passes by, it slightly changes the timing of these signals, just like a breeze rustling through leaves. By carefully analyzing these changes, scientists can uncover the secrets of gravitational waves and the cosmic events that caused them. This incredible discovery is not only fascinating, but also holds immense promise for our understanding of the universe. It reveals a whole new type of wave that we didn't know much about before, like finding a hidden treasure trove of knowledge. It also gives us glimpses into the distant past, offering tantalizing clues about what the universe was like when it was very young. It's like peering through a cosmic time window, observing the cosmos as it was billions of years ago. As we move forward, scientists will continue their tireless efforts to study these waves and unlock more of the universe's mysteries. They will use new and powerful telescopes to gather even more data and expand our knowledge. They will also combine information from different types of observations, like putting together puzzle pieces, to get a clearer and more detailed picture of what's happening in the universe. It's like using multiple tools, such as telescopes, sensors, and computers, to solve a really big and fascinating puzzle that spans across the entire cosmos. This discovery is not just a small step, but a giant leap in our never-ending journey to learn more about the universe and all its wonders. It's like adding a new chapter to the book of space exploration, filled with captivating tales and breathtaking discoveries. We are privileged to listen to the whispers of the universe, unlocking its secrets and unraveling the extraordinary history that has brought us to this moment. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the vast cosmic tapestry and fills us with awe and wonder.